Hey everyone, so today's video is on 5 very easy party hairstyles, so I really hope you find this video helpful, and let's get into it. The first hairstyle is the twisted half up, so first you want to start with a middle parting and take quite a large section at the top of your head and split it into 2 pieces. Then you just want to twist them around each other twice and then start to add hair onto the bottom section and twist it together until you reach the bottom of your ear. And then you just want to twist all the hair you have left together. Pull that to the back of your head and just grip it in place for later. Then you just want to do the exact same on the opposite side, but this time when you reach the back, you want to take out the grip and join the 2 twists together by tying them with a hair elastic. Next, take a small section of the ponytail part and just wrap it over the hair elastic, and then that is the first look. I feel like it looks a lot harder than what it actually is. Style number 2 is the half up ponytail, so I'm starting by gently teasing some of the hair at the top of my head just to add a bit of volume to the look. So all you do is push gently down onto the root, and then I'm just smoothing it out with my fingers and my comb just to make a little ponytail at the top of my head. You want to gather the hair from just above your ears and pull it back, and then I'm just tying that up with a hair elastic and pulling at it to make it higher. I'm also carefully pulling at the front of my hair just to make it more voluminous at the top, and then that is it. Look 3 is a low bun, so I'm starting with a slight side parting this time, and I'm just leaving out a small section at the front because I just want this to frame my face. You can leave as much or as little out as you like. And then I'm just gathering all of the hair into a low ponytail position at the nape of my neck, and I'm taking this really strong hairband, I'm not sure what it is, I'll probably leave it down below in the description, and I'm just pulling the hair through it halfway, picking the other half up and scooping it into a bun shape. Next, I'm just taking some grips and securing it in place. I'm also just tugging at the bun slightly too to make it looser. Just play with it until you're happy with how it looks, and then that is the third hairstyle. Next is the twisted updo, so you want to start with a middle parting again and twist the hair the exact same way we did for the first hairstyle. And then you want to grip it at the back of your head and repeat the same on the opposite side. Make sure you grip these up really well though, because we won't be taking them out this time and we don't want them to fall out. And then I'm taking the leftover hair and again pulling it through the hairband halfway, picking the rest up and twisting it into the bun shape. Fix it up with your hair grips as neat or as messy as you like, and then that is it. I just love how boho and relaxed this look is. And the final style is the voluminous ponytail, so I'm starting by teasing my hair at the crown of my head to add some volume, but I'm actually leaving 2 pieces at the front out because I want these to frame the sides of my face. So next I'm gathering all of the hair into a ponytail using my comb to neaten it slightly. Just play with the bits you've left out until you're happy with how it looks, and then just tie up the ponytail. I'm using my comb to pull at the top just to make it a bit more voluminous. You could even add a hair grip to really push that little bouffant we have up. Next, I'm just using my comb to add some texture to the ponytail, and then that is the final look. So that is is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did, because it really would mean the world to me. Have a great day and party, and I'll speak to you all in my next one. Bye guys.